Hello everybody, this is Mr. K, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to complete your DOL assignment. So once you have gone into Schoology and you have clicked on 6th hour in your courses, it will bring you to language arts, and the assignment will be labeled right here. Notice it's in a folder. DOLs are two sentences with many errors. Students will need to correct each sentence using correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Now notice down here, this is grayed out, must complete. When you complete these, it will then turn into green, okay? So click on the folder. It will then bring you to a video, which is this video right here. And then DOL number 1 and 2 is the actual assignment. When you click on this, directions state DOLs for the week. It also means daily oral language. You will only submit one DOL at a time, referring to Monday first, and then on Wednesday you'll do the other two. Please do not do both days. There are two sentences for each day. Choose the day below and copy the two incorrect sentences. Click the Submit Assignment button. Click Create. Paste the two incorrect sentences in the box. Below each sentence, rewrite the sentence using correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Note the number in parentheses indicate how many errors in each sentence. So today's Monday. You're only going to do sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. You will save the other two for Wednesday. So again, the directions say go ahead, copy. I would actually begin by copying DOL 1 Monday so that I know it's that one. I'm going to copy and then come over to here and click on Submit Assignment. I'm going to then click Create, gives me this box. I'm going to right click, paste, and there it is. It's nicely titled. All you have to do from here is do the assignment, which is to rewrite the sentence underneath each problem using correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling. So in number 1, I notice it does not begin with a capital letter. Had, gave, I believe that's right. Him, oh, 2 quarters. I think we're speaking numbers here. And so I need to change that spelling. And then we think we all know that sentences usually end with periods, exclamation, or question marks. I'm going to choose my period here. Now notice right here it says there should be 4 errors. I have only done 3, which means there's still 1 for you to figure out. And then once I'm done with that, and I think I've got all 4 errors, I'll come and I'll do number 2, the same thing. Sally doesn't want to read Anne's book. Here there are 5 errors. When you are done, you have 2 options. If you don't think you're completely done, you can save as draft. But if you are done, submit it. Okay, I won't click submit it here for now, but once you submit it, it will just bring you back to this page. And then on Wednesday, you'll come back and you'll do the same thing. You'll copy from here to there, hit submit assignment again, hit create, paste it in, do your work, and hit submit. When that is completed, what will happen on the DOL week folder, this will turn into submission made, and it'll be green, which then also means that this folder here will say check mark completed in green, and you know that you are done. That is the DOL assignment.